Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we help you improve your financial well-being. In this video, we will discuss 15 ways to get smarter. If you're interested in improving your knowledge and overall intelligence, then you're in the right place. 1. Read books. Reading books is an excellent way to expand your knowledge and vocabulary. Reading stimulates the brain, improves cognitive abilities, and enhances the imagination. Books also provide an opportunity to learn from experts in different fields, from science and technology to philosophy and psychology. Reading can also improve your empathy and emotional intelligence by exposing you to different perspectives and experiences. So, pick up a book and start reading. 2. Learn a new language. Learning a new language is a great way to improve cognitive flexibility, memory, and decision-making abilities. It also opens up opportunities to connect with people from different cultures and travel to new places. Learning a new language takes practice, patience, and dedication, but it is a rewarding experience that can also boost your self-confidence. 3. Take online courses. The internet offers a wealth of online courses and tutorials on various subjects. You can take advantage of these resources to learn new skills or improve your existing knowledge. Many websites offer free or low-cost courses that you can take at your own pace. Online courses also provide an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and form virtual study groups. 4. Play brain games. Playing brain games like puzzles, chess, and Sudoku can improve your problem-solving skills, memory, and cognitive abilities. Brain games stimulate the brain by challenging it to think in new ways. They also provide a fun way to exercise your brain and keep it active. So, if you're looking for a fun way to boost your intelligence, try playing some brain games. 5. Travel. Traveling is a great way to learn about different cultures, customs, and ways of life. It broadens your perspective and helps you to think outside the box. Traveling also provides an opportunity to learn new languages, try new foods, and explore new places. By experiencing different cultures, you can also improve your emotional intelligence and empathy. 6. Watch documentaries. Watching documentaries exposes you to different ideas and perspectives. It helps you learn about new topics and gain knowledge on different subjects. Documentaries are also a great way to learn about historical events, science, technology, and other areas of interest. Many documentaries are available online and can be watched for free on platforms like YouTube. 7. Attend conferences. Attending conferences provides an opportunity to learn from experts in your field. You can network with like-minded individuals and gain knowledge and insights from keynote speakers. Conferences are also a great way to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in your industry. They also provide a platform to showcase your own knowledge and expertise. 8. Exercise. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain, which enhances cognitive abilities. It also releases endorphins, which improves your mood and makes you feel better. Exercise can also improve memory, attention, and processing speed. So, if you're looking to boost your intelligence, try incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine. 9. Play musical instruments. Playing musical instruments can improve cognitive abilities, including memory, attention, and processing speed. It also enhances fine motor skills. Playing musical instruments also provides an opportunity to express yourself creatively and connect with others through music. So, if you're interested in boosting your intelligence and exploring your creative side, try learning to play a musical instrument. 10. Meditate. Meditation improves focus, reduces stress, and enhances cognitive abilities. It also helps you to think more clearly and make better decisions. Meditation also improves emotional intelligence and self-awareness. By meditating regularly, you can reduce anxiety and depression, and improve your overall well-being. 11. Watch TED Talks. TED Talks are short, inspiring talks on a wide range of topics. They provide insights and perspectives that can help you to think differently. TED Talks are delivered by experts in different fields and provide a wealth of knowledge on various subjects. By watching TED Talks, you can learn about new ideas and perspectives, gain insights into different cultures and ways of life, and expand your understanding of the world around you. 12. Volunteer. Volunteering provides an opportunity to learn new skills and gain experience in different fields. It also enhances empathy and emotional intelligence by exposing you to different people and experiences. Volunteering also provides an opportunity to give back to your community and make a positive impact on the world around you. 13. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness improves focus, reduces stress, and enhances cognitive abilities. It also improves emotional intelligence and self-awareness. By practicing mindfulness, you can improve your overall well-being and boost your intelligence. 14. Listen to podcasts. Podcasts provide a convenient and accessible way to learn about new topics and gain knowledge on different subjects. Podcasts are available on a wide range of subjects, from science and technology to personal development and psychology. By listening to podcasts, you can learn from experts in different fields, expand your knowledge, and gain new perspectives. 15. Attend workshops. Attending workshops provides an opportunity to learn new skills and gain practical experience in different fields. Workshops are often delivered by experts in their field and provide a hands-on approach to learning. They also provide an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and form new relationships. In conclusion, there are many ways to get smarter and improve your cognitive abilities. Whether it's reading books, learning a new language, playing brain games, or attending workshops, there are endless opportunities to expand your knowledge and understanding of the world. So, take action today and start incorporating these 15 ways to get smarter into your daily routine. And don't forget to subscribe to Financial Literacy to learn more about personal finance and how to improve your financial well-being.